Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just taking a look at the euro dollar. Here's something to consider. Just going to mark up our weekly open to start with. Weekly open. Keep an eye on this level. Notice this candle. Look at the gap. That is significant. I would consider potential buy opportunity. Let's just clear that. Let's just have a look at daily markup, target level on the daily. Let's just have a look and see what we got left. 1 week. Okay, it's been a while. 2017. Okay, this is a support level down here. You can see that we've traded into, sort of rejecting at the moment. Well, we've retested that level, so we know that we've traded into a big weekly level. So if I go down to a 4-hour chart, we can see on this time frame how this is, if you're into diagonals, well, trend. So we've got a break of structure. I'll just pull that through here, something like that. This break of this high, a higher high, and we've got a higher low. Break of structure. Just looking for an opportunity, and I'll be going down to a lower time frame. 4-hour higher high, higher low setup. I think for me, I'd have to hang on. Just mark this up, and then we'll go down to the 4-hour chart. 4H resistance. You know, I mean, we could mark up these levels here as well, but it's a bit later on. For now, I think what I'd be interested in would be if we go down, say, to a 30-minute chart. Be keeping an eye on this. I'm going to mark this up as a red alert. Okay, retesting this low. You get a bit of a descending triangle going on here as well. So I'll be watching this, but I'm mainly interested in this weekly level here. And if we trade above this and we see a break retest of this high and fail here, and if it holds here, then we could look to see if we get a rotation, and then we're off to the races with this one potentially. Now that's what I'm thinking. 30-minute, yeah, okay, something like that. But we can see definitely it's kind of holding up here. This is one to keep an eye on. I mean, I won't be trading this today, but let's just see how it holds around this weekly open, because what can generally happen is this can be pretty volatile on Monday, and come Tuesday into, you know, the London, maybe into the New York session, we might see a trend set up that we could get involved with. So that's what I'm going to be waiting on. Okay guys, so that's my take on the euro dollar at the moment. I'm interested to see if we get a bullish break with this. Now here's the thing, if you've gained some value from the video, support my channel, smash the likes, subscribe to YouTube, and join Discord. It's free to join, and the links are below. So with that, safe trading, and see you in the next video.